Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. Now, today I'm going to introduce you a special little series, a tutorial series which I'm going to do with you guys. And in this series, I'm going to guide you guys through everything step by step on how to set up a up and running intranet using SharePoint Online. Now, this series is going to consist of a couple of videos, and I'm going to cover everything. Again, as I said, everything from the basics, where to start, or basically, better yet, what is SharePoint and what is an intranet, where to start, how to get it up and running, how to customize it according to your needs. Obviously, the way I'm going to be constructing this intranet is just going to be a sample of how I would construct an intranet and how I've already constructed a couple of intranets in the past for different companies, right? So again, it may look different for you. You may have different needs for your intranet in case you're maybe an IT administrator and you're watching these videos in order to refreshen up on your knowledge or to get some inspiration. Have a look at how you want to build your intranet and we'll go from there. Right, so first things first, what is an intranet? Now, an intranet is a private internal network used within an organization to connect all the employees, exchange information, share resources, and facilitate internal communication. In contrast to the public internet, an intranet is accessible only to authorized users, and its purpose is to improve the flow of information within an organization, foster collaboration, and facilitate access to important resources. Basically, a collaboration tool, which is primarily used by most organizations, right? So this is just a basic summary of what an intranet is. And in short, also, what is SharePoint? Now, SharePoint is a platform developed by Microsoft for collaboration, document management, and content management. It basically allows users to create and manage websites where they can store, organize, and share information collaboratively. SharePoint provides features generally such as document libraries, lists, calendars, task management, and more to support team collaboration and facilitate information exchange within an organization. You could also build a integrated wiki within a SharePoint or within an intranet page, just as a side note, right? So with SharePoint, generally users can also automate workflows, right? You can improve business processes, create custom applications to enhance productivity, and promote collaboration within the organization itself. In Microsoft 365 environment, SharePoint can be generally used also as a standalone solution or in conjunction with other services such as Teams, OneDrive, Outlook, and so forth to maybe provide comprehensive collaboration capabilities, right? So just a short summary of what SharePoint is. And depending on how you want to use SharePoint and what you want to use it for, I'm going to be making separate videos covering different aspects of usages for SharePoint and what else there is to do. But this series is specifically about an intranet and how to set it up and how to get it up and running using SharePoint Online. So in the upcoming video or videos in general, I'm going to try to stick for one specific video to a specific part, right? So the next video is all about the basics. I'm going to introduce to you the SharePoint admin portal where you can basically have a few insights, and I'm going to guide you through everything, what is in there. Then I'm going to show you how to get started. So basically where to start when setting up an intranet and where to click and what to configure and what to actually look out for when you're starting. And I'm going to show you also differences between different types of pages you can create within an intranet, right? So there is classical intranet pages which you just set up, and then there is something called communication pages. I'm going to show you and explain to you exactly the differences between these, and I'm going to be guiding you through everything step by step Again, the next video, the upcoming one, will be covering all the basics, and then we're going to be progressing from then on. Again, as always, thanks for watching. I hope you are going to be finding this series helpful for you. And if you have any further suggestions or any ideas how to improve future videos, then do put them down in the comment section. And also, if I've missed anything out or if I've forgot to mention anything important, then do point it out for me in the comment section, and I will make sure to get your comments pinned or edited and put it in a pinned comment. As always, thanks for watching. Have fun with the series, take care of yourselves, and until next time.